For boiler service in Los Gatos, CA, 95030, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is a great option. Our knowledgeable staff of professionals has extensive experience managing a variety of boiler-related requirements, such as upkeep, fixes, installs, and replacements. Are you looking for boiler service near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What is the purpose of boiler service? Making sure your heating system operates effectively, safely, and reliably, especially during the winter months, is the aim of boiler servicing. To satisfy the unique requirements of homes, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment provides thorough boiler services in Los Gatos, CA, 95030. What is boiler service? The thorough procedure known as boiler servicing guarantees the safe, effective, and appropriate operation of your heating system and boiler. In Los Gatos, CA, 95030, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment offers expert boiler services that are tailored to the requirements of nearby companies and residents. Where is your service area? The communities of Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, and San Jose are among the California towns that Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is happy to serve. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, CA 95060, United States. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Santa Cruz Plumbing Draining Water Heater Repair/